Hey guys, it's your girl Faith L93 and thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you're new to my channel or over here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. So today I have a headband wig review for you all. I was sent this wig by Vivi Babi hair on Amazon, and I am going to leave all the links to their website down in the description box below, so make sure that you check them out. And I am about to insert the clip of me putting this headband wig on. It was super duper easy, you guys. Like literally I just took some braids out. I have not washed my hair yet, and so I was like, I need something so that I can go to work these next few days. If you want to see how I installed this wig, then keep watching. Hey you guys, so I am starting on some dirty hair. You guys, I just took my braids out, and this is the packaging of the hair. This is the wig that it came with and the headband. So I thought it was really nice of them to put extra headbands in, and they gave me a wig cap for it. So basically what I'm going to be using to style my hair is some extreme wetline gel, water, and some edge control. I am using the Kiss Edge Fixer Max Hold Edge Control. So we're just going to be trying to lay my hair down, get it to look smooth into a ponytail so that we can apply the wig. So like I said, I was going to be using the Kiss Edge Fixer Edge Control. This is the edge control that Saweetie be promoting. So yes, y'all need to get this edge control. I love it. They have different flavors, different smells, and they all smell so good. And you know, we just got to lay those baby hairs down because, you know, edges got to be looking good, okay? So I'm taking the wig out of the packaging, and guys, when I say this hair is so soft, it is like the softest hair I've ever felt, and the texture looks so good and it mimics my natural hair really good. So this part is optional. You don't have to put a wig cap on, but I did just so that my ponytail could be flat, and so that I'll have a flatter base instead of it poofing up in the back. So I'm just going to take the wig and put it on, and the band attachment around this wig was a little loose, so I just kind of tucked it underneath the wig. But if you have a bigger head, this would definitely fit around your head. It was just a little loose around mine, but it still did not stop the hair from, you know, staying on my head because of the clips that are inside the wig. So you're seeing me going in with some water, and I'm just spraying it and poofing my hair up a little bit with it because I like big hair, you guys. So a little bit of frizz does not hurt. I love the way it looks. It looks more natural with the frizziness, but the curls are still intact. Yeah, Vivi Babi did their thing when it came to this wig. I am loving this wig, you guys. Alright guys, so that is how I installed this wig. So yeah, this hair is like super duper soft. This is the Kinky Curly in the 18-inch. But yeah, this is where the wig is hitting it on me. It comes to about like shoulder length 18-inch. But like, of course, if you were to stretch this out, it would come down a little bit longer. You definitely probably could straighten this hair, but I'm not, because I like this kinky curly texture and I want to keep it like this, you guys. So let me turn to the side, give a little shoulder, you know. So this is where it's like falling at. Here is the back. So yeah, you guys, this hair is like perfect for the summertime, wintertime, anytime that you want to wear this hair. It's perfect for it. I am glad that they gave me some headbands to go with it. Like I stated, this hair is from Vivi Babi hair on Amazon, and the links to this hair will be listed down below. This headband wig is super affordable for the quality of this hair. Like, it's amazing. You are going to be getting this hair for an excellent price. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this hair down in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.